One single continuous spiral blade. No welds, no seams, no weak points. This is how it's made the Huashun continuous spiral blade forming machine. Cold rolling technology. Two tapered rollers work together, squeezing, twisting, and forming the strip into a continuous spiral. No welding, no heat, just pure mechanical force. One continuous length, no seams, one piece from start to finish. And when you reach your desired length, the semi-automatic cutoff system takes over. Huashun Machinery, over 20 years of experience. CE and ISO 9001 certified. From straightening and cutting to bending and forming, we build systems that help you produce better parts, faster.